It's a crash course review, not crash course learn everything in one day. I don't know where people get this idea that everything they need to know for the real estate exam they could learn the weekend before. Let's say hypothetically that was true, that all the information was given to you the weekend before you need to know to pass your real estate exam. And who knows, maybe it is. Maybe you got some amazing teacher or class. But even if that was true, can you realistically take in all that information in a weekend? Or some of these places promise it in a day. Does that seem realistic to you? Hell, I can't even remember when somebody asked me to take their order for Starbucks. I usually forget by the time I get to the counter. So this idea that you're going to learn everything the weekend before is not realistic. It is realistic to use those things as a review of everything you've been learning. Your studying needs to start the moment you decide you want to take the real estate exam. That is done with studying a little bit every day. Very often I say learn 5 words a day. That is my way of saying stay consistent. Obviously you need to do a little more than learn 5 words a day, but if you do that, the bare minimum, you're going to stay consistent to make sure no day gets away with you without learning anything. And then when the weekend before your exam comes, you are truly reviewing information, trying to nail things down, ask a few questions about things you don't understand, and that's that. It is not a crash course, learn everything the day before. So stay consistent with your studies and you'll be fine, and you may not even need anything the weekend before at all.